I'll give you a little before and after on the turkey breasts. So we cut them into strips, put a little milk, a little salt, and 2 or 3 eggs in there. Wisp it all up. Then you have your breading. You take the chunk out of there, dip it in there, and then into your oil. And you have some awesome turkey fingers that taste really good. I usually go till they're just like slightly brown on each side, have a little bit of crisp to them, and we'll call it quits on it. Then you've got some super tasty turkey fingers. Let me check this one, see how it looks. Yep, looks good to me. There's no BBs in it.
Yeah, you've said that before. I'm not gonna chip a tooth over it.
Welcome back, everybody. It is the 4th of May and it is pouring outside. I'm set up over here in Pennsylvania in my ground blind, and I've got my bow with me. I've got a jig decoy out here. We're just gonna sit here and hope that maybe a bird comes out to this field this morning. It's raining way too hard for me to be outside. Fingers crossed. I don't have very long to hunt this morning, so it'll be brief, but we're hunting nonetheless. We'll see what happens. It's been a pretty slow morning here. The rain's finally starting to let up a little bit. I haven't seen any turkeys or heard any gobbles, but we still got a little time yet. That's a wrap. Gotta go to work, unfortunately. No luck. Let's roll. This morning's turkey hunt was a bust, but I wanted to mention something on this video before it was over, and that is that if you've got messaged by who appears to be KEO Vlogs on YouTube saying that you've won something and that you need to provide your phone number or shipping information and stuff like that, and they asked that you send them money for shipment of that. That is not us in any way. It's a big scam. So I hope that nobody fell for any of that stuff. The first thing you want to do if you get messages like that is just report the comment, and you can even go to the channel and report the channel as well. So sorry about that. Kaylee and I did some stuff on YouTube to try to prevent this from happening again and flag those channels. So hopefully it doesn't happen again, but that is not us. So I hope that if it happens to you, you know, don't feed into anything they're asking. You know, if we ever did a giveaway and someone won, I would say it right on a video and I would contact you personally. So this is some of the turkey from yesterday. Tonight's dish. What is this, babe? What do you call this?
It's called stir fry, Cliff.
Stir fry?
Yeah.
Stir fry turkey. So we had turkey fingers last night and stir fry turkey tonight. We'll see you in the morning, everybody. Thanks for watching.